How to find your profile settings on Udemy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open your browser and then go to Udemy, and once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile here and just click on it, and that's it. And as you see here, you can manage your profile, you can manage here anything you want, you can manage your privacy settings and your notifications. Just click on it and you can manage it as you see. And now just manage anything you want and then just save it and go back. And then I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.